Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up back tap hidden button on your iPhone. So the back tap isn't exactly a button, it's rather the sensitive spot at the back panel of your iPhone, which can be used to add some additional features to your smartphone, and you can do this simply by entering settings on your device, going to accessibility settings, finding touch in physical and motor category, and then navigate to the very bottom of the touch menu, find back tap, and then set some actions to, for example, double tapping the back panel of your smartphone. In my case, it will enable camera, but we can use any of the preset shortcuts for it. For example, the enabling torch, or we can also use the shortcut to accessibility, or we can enable the frontal camera, we can lock screen, we can take a screenshot, for example, and then we can also enable triple tap gesture, which will for example send us to the home screen. And you can also enable the banner so that you know when the back tap gesture is used. Now let's try to take a screenshot using the double tap. So let's tap the back side of the screen twice. And as you can see, the screenshot is successfully taken. Now let's try triple tap, which should take us to the home screen. Okay, let's try once again. And as you can see, it successfully performed the desired action, and that's basically how you can use this feature on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.